Science meets adventure. Exploring nature's secret takes you on a journey to one of the world's greatest mysteries, the Nazca Lines in Peru. These enormous geoglyphs, visible only from the air, stretch across the arid Nazca Desert, and their purpose and origin remain subjects of great debate. Today, we'll dive into the science, the history, and the mystery surrounding these ancient markings, and we'll explore how you can experience them firsthand. The Nazca Lines are a collection of over 800 straight lines, 300 geometric shapes, and 70 animal and plant figures, including birds, monkeys, and spiders. Spanning more than 50 square kilometers, these massive geoglyphs were created by the Nazca people, who inhabited this region between 500 BCE and 500 CE. But how were these designs made, and why? To understand, we need to first explore the natural and cultural context of this extraordinary place. The Nazca Desert, where the lines are found, is one of the driest places on Earth. The region is part of the Atacama Desert, which receives almost no rain throughout the year. This extreme aridity has played a critical role in preserving the Nazca Lines for over 2,000 years. The Nazca Desert is framed by the Andes Mountains to the east and the Pacific Ocean to the west, creating a unique geographic environment that has shaped both the land and the people who lived here. The desert itself is geologically fascinating. It was formed over millions of years by the shifting of tectonic plates and volcanic activity. The region's dry environment has been shaped by wind erosion, and the surface of the desert is covered in a layer of reddish-brown rocks. Beneath this surface, the Nazca Lines were carved by removing this layer of rocks to reveal the lighter-colored earth underneath. Over time, the lines became more visible as the darker surface layer of rocks continued to erode, while the lighter lines remained intact. These geoglyphs can only truly be appreciated from the air. Standing on the ground, they appear as faint markings on the Earth's surface. However, when viewed from above, whether from a plane, a drone, or one of the viewing towers set up in the region, the size and scale of these figures become clear. The Nazca Lines include spider figures that stretch across the desert floor with legs reaching over 100 meters, as well as giant monkeys, hummingbirds, and lizards, all of which are clearly visible only from an elevated viewpoint. But why were these enormous geoglyphs created? That's where the mystery begins. Over the years, there have been many theories proposed. One of the most widely accepted ideas is that the Nazca Lines were created for astronomical purposes. Some scholars believe that the lines were used as a form of calendar, marking the positions of the sun, moon, and stars throughout the year. Several lines align with the midsummer sunrise and midwinter sunset, and certain shapes, like the monkey and the hummingbird, may correspond with specific celestial events. The idea is that the lines could have been used to track the changing seasons or even to predict the arrival of the rains, which were vital to the survival of the Nazca people in this desert environment. Another theory suggests that the Nazca Lines were used for ritualistic purposes, possibly related to water worship. The Nazca people relied heavily on water from the Andes Mountains, and many believe the lines were created as offerings to the gods in the hopes of receiving rain or ensuring good harvests. Some scholars think that the lines may have been part of a larger ceremonial landscape, connecting sacred sites across the desert and serving as pathways for ritual processions. The figures themselves could represent important animals or deities for the Nazca people, linking them to the natural and spiritual world. There are also more speculative theories about the Nazca Lines. Perhaps the most famous of these is the idea that the lines were created by ancient aliens. Some proponents of this theory suggest that the sheer size and precision of the figures could only have been achieved with aerial views, which would have been impossible for the Nazca people to have had. While this idea is widely dismissed by scientists, it continues to capture the imagination of many people around the world. Despite the many theories, the Nazca Lines remain a mystery, with no single explanation accepted by all. The truth is, we may never fully understand why or how the lines were created. But what we do know is that they are an incredible testament to the ingenuity and spirituality of the Nazca people, and a unique connection between the natural and the human-made worlds. For those looking to experience the Nazca Lines firsthand, there are several ways to visit. The most popular way is by taking a small plane ride over the desert. These flights, which depart from the nearby Nazca town, give visitors an incredible aerial view of the geoglyphs. As the plane circles above the lines, you can see the full scale of the figures, their intricate details, and their impressive sizes. The experience is breathtaking and offers a perspective that can't be achieved from the ground. If you prefer not to fly, there are viewing towers located at various points along the desert, offering a ground-level look at some of the more prominent figures. These towers provide a glimpse of the figures from a raised vantage point, but the view is much more limited compared to a flight over the lines. From these towers, you can view the hummingbird, monkey, and spider figures, which are some of the most recognizable geoglyphs. For those looking for a more adventurous experience, there are several trekking and touring options available in the region. Guided tours take visitors on walks around the Nazca Desert, where they can explore the ancient sites and learn about the history and cultural significance of the Nazca Lines. While walking on the desert floor doesn't allow you to see the full scale of the geoglyphs, it does give visitors a sense of the vastness of the desert landscape and an understanding of how the Nazca people may have used the land for their rituals. Camping in the desert is another way to experience the Nazca region. The desert offers stunning starry nights, and camping allows you to connect with the land in a way that other forms of tourism cannot. There are several campsites around the region, and staying overnight gives you the chance to take in the desert's quiet beauty. Whether you're stargazing, watching the sunset over the Andes Mountains, or simply experiencing the vast emptiness of the desert, camping in this remote area is a truly unique experience. For those interested in learning more about the history and culture of the Nazca people, there are several museums and archaeological sites in the area. These sites offer displays of Nazca pottery, textiles, and tools, and they provide a deeper insight into the lives of the people who created the Nazca Lines. Visiting these sites can help bring context to the geoglyphs, offering a fuller understanding of the culture that created them. Nazca itself is a small town that serves as a base for visitors exploring the region. The town offers a range of accommodation options, from basic hostels to more luxurious hotels. In the town, you can also sample traditional Peruvian food, including ceviche, pachamanca, and adobo, which are made with locally sourced ingredients. This is a great way to experience the flavors of the region and get a taste of Peruvian culture. Visiting the Nazca Lines is a truly unique experience, combining adventure, history, and mystery. Whether you're soaring above the desert, trekking across the ancient landscape, or exploring the culture and history of the Nazca people, this remarkable site offers something for every type of traveler. While the Nazca Lines remain a mystery, their beauty and significance are undeniable. These massive geoglyphs are not just an awe-inspiring visual spectacle. They are a profound connection to the past, a window into an ancient civilization that lived in harmony with the land and the stars. As you explore this incredible place, remember that the questions about the Nazca Lines are as much a part of their allure as the answers we seek. They are a symbol of human creativity, a timeless mystery that continues to capture the imagination of people around the world. Thank you for joining us on this journey to uncover the secrets of the Nazca Lines. If you've enjoyed this adventure, be sure to like, share, and subscribe to Science Meets Adventure, exploring nature's secret for more exciting journeys into the wonders of the world. Until next time, stay curious, keep exploring, and tread lightly.